Here's the tree up in its glory. Cameron, why don't you stand by the tree there? There's Cameron, proud. I like that top branch up there.
This guy here.
It's kind of like the beautiful Star of Bethlehem. It's pointing to the east, saying this is where the good news lies.
And kind of down a little bit.
And yeah, southeast. Go southeast to the baby Jesus. There we go. There's our tree. Mom still hasn't come in to make sure it's okay. Come on, Mom, hurry up.
We're expecting at least an 80% on this one.
We did put our heart into
Maybe
it.
82.
Hey! Okay, now what you want to do is walk around.
We did.
No, look at where you can see.
Would that be walking around the Christmas tree?
Yeah, rocking around the Christmas tree. Yep. You want to cover up where you can see right in there. But you guys did a wonderful job.
High five, Cam.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
You betcha.
Yeah.
So Colin, next year, you won't know how to do this, so we'll probably have to give you a few tips. A few pointers like Mr. Pointy McPhee up there. Okay, tune in for decorating time, which will be shortly.